Hi, welcome to Confetti Sprinkles. Today I'm going to be making swirl fudge and chocolate egg nest for Easter. This is my assistant, Easter Bunny. For swirl fudge you need sweetened condensed milk, white chocolate chips, food coloring, and confetti sprinkles. And we're gonna mix it up in this bowl. First, we're gonna add in our chocolate chips into our mixing bowl. Then we're gonna microwave the chips for 90 seconds at half power. Now that we've microwaved our chips, Easter Bunny's gonna mix them up. If your chips aren't melted enough, add 30 more seconds. Now that we've melted and mixed our chips, we're going to add in our sweetened condensed milk, and Easter Bunny's gonna mix it up again. Okay, mix it up. Now that we've mixed it all up, we're gonna add it to the pan. Now we're gonna add a couple drops of food coloring and swirl it with a knife. Now we're gonna add our sprinkles and put it in the fridge for 2 hours. As our fudge is cooling, we're going to make chocolate egg nests. For these you need vanilla wafers, frosting, and chocolate eggs. To make an egg nest, take your vanilla wafer and some frosting, spread it on the wafer, and add 3 eggs. Now here are some of our finished egg nests. Here's our finished swirl fudge. Looks yummy. Now we get to try it. Yum! Thanks for watching. If you liked it, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Happy Easter! Bye-bye.